everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Angeline and I am the owner of Angelic Creations. So welcome back to yet another Sew Sundays, and today we will be creating a very basic fleece hat, and I am using this pattern here that I downloaded from www.fleecefun.com. Shout out to her for this beautiful pattern here. She did have it in color, but I printed it out in black and white, but as you can see, it is still legible, very clean. Thank you, I appreciate it. And I will also link her website down in the description box below. Now the size that I will be using today will be the adult medium, 23 inches. So all you have to do is find that line on the side, and you're just going to cut around like so. It's very easy to follow. Her lines are very clean, legible. It's really easy. When you go on her website, you'll see that it is 2 portions like so. And I just lined it up where all of the words and everything made sense. And this is our first pattern piece here that we will be choosing. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my fabric, and then we can go ahead and cut around. Okay, so we are back and we have our pattern piece cut out. And I made sure that my right sides were facing each other. Like so. Okay, so the next step we're going to do is we're going to sew down our sides. Not the V cut and not the bottom. We're just sewing down both sides. And I will be using a zigzag stitch because this do have a little stretch to it. Okay, so once you have completed both sides, it should look something like this. Now I did try to get as close as I could to the edge to give it more of a serger professional look like so. And it turned out really cool. I like it. Now as you can see, I didn't start all the way at the tip. I left a little bit of like of a gap, a little hangage there, because the next step we're going to do is we're going to open up our piece this way. And we're going to connect them so that we can create that little arch like at the top of the hat. Okay, so once that is complete, you should have something that looks like this. All right, and our last and final step is to fold over the bottom like so, about 1 inch. So that we can create a more professional look at the bottom. And we're also going to do a zigzag stitch for this as well. Okay, so I have it folded again about 1 inch or so over, and now we're just going to create our zigzags. Hey guys, so here is the final reveal of our very first fleece hat. I hope that it was very simple and easy to follow. Make sure you also get your pattern from fleecefun.com, and I will also remember to link her website at the in the description box below. So if you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you love the video, make sure you share it with your family and friends. If you do try it out, make sure you tag me. And as always, take that sewing machine out that box and create something. Until next time, guys. Bye.